What is the association fee number?
Let's take a look at the line.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So the wraparound one nice. So
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
so we'll check that out.
What's the association?
Oh, that's a oh.
You can go swimming here. Oh, you can see the ocean from here.
Yeah. So.
So, if it was possible, break the wall,
Mhm.
so it becomes a door, sliding door,
Yeah.
right?
But what?
Blocking the smoke.
Yeah. Smoke? People don't cook here. Yeah.
No, I'm just
Oh,
saying.
okay.
If it was something.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, so this is closet.
Yeah, this is the closet.
I'm gonna finish up this.
It's probably not a retaining wall.
They're done.
You know the dimension here?
Oh, no. It's a wedding size 468 square feet. Yeah.
Okay.
And the night is
I think this like two feet each, right?
These are about.
less. Yeah, probably one foot. And
think it's
I think it's more than one.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
The last show they
This is 1 foot.
Oh yeah, this is one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh,
So this is like this one shows here.
It's 1 and a half,
One and a half.
Yeah, 1 and a half.
Yeah.
So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just said 12.
Yeah, we want to add more sleeping space. So this building allows vacation rental, but this unit you have to apply for it. Yeah.
Yeah.
We didn't apply for
Because
it.
you guys had you were living here.
Yeah,
that's
we
why.
live here. So
we have to convert it to.
Yeah, we didn't do vacation rentals, so you have
Yeah.
to apply for it. But the building's approved, the unit is not yet, okay? So you have to apply for it with the city and county. It's-
Well, you say what? You say what's not yet?
the unit is not yet approved yet, okay? But the building is approved for vacation rental.
Okay.
Yeah, so you need to apply with the city and county. It's like $1,000 application.
Is that like every year renew?
No, just one time application. Yeah, and then you can rent it out. It's about 150 to 250 and 90, depends on the season, but it's around 150. Yeah.
Yeah.
So a lot of people are doing it. Yeah.
Especially if you updated stuff, it would be
Yeah.
here would be. You could even.
Yeah, you can wash your car there. So you want to sit in the corner.
Oh.
Yeah.
116.
Those storage is extra. Yeah, you have the parking management. I think it's like over $1,000. That's why you can get it.
Oh wow.
you get it.
Yeah, over $1,000 for
What the heck?
One time.
Yeah.
You can buy it yourself and put it in?
It has to be that color, the dimension.
Wow.
Yeah, Jesus.
Yeah. Why?
It's in the corner. Private. Hello. All right, the bathroom.
So this one's all well renovated, right?
So this is the only one we'll see that's like this layout. Where
Okay.
It's like there's like some space out front
Yeah.
and there's not a window back here.
Yeah.
This is kind of so it is different.
Yeah.
It definitely is nice in a way. It would be good to compare it to the other one.
Probably this is king size or cow king.
It looks like Cal King.
Okay. Make the room look really
Oh, it's big.
small. Yeah.
Yeah, because of
Yeah.
the bed is too big.
Yeah.
How much is this
Oh,
one?
this one's, I'm sorry, this one's 300 even.
300.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sounds
The
about.
next two are 380 and 369, so this is the lowest.
Okay.
Yeah.
occupancy for this building, according to this, it says 8%.
8%.
Yeah, mostly rentals.
Okay. And
Not
this.
really getting like full-size kitchens.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't even think you can. You're not like allowed to.
You're not allowed to.
Yeah. I don't
That's
think
what
you
we-
can allow it.
Yeah, as we
You have a hot plate.
Yeah.
Well, see, I never see this one. I've
I'm
always seen the other ones, but not a sign.
Yeah. How much they asking for this one?
This one is a 380.
380.
Yep.
This is 380.
Huh?
380. Is it currently no one live here, right?
What was that?
No one's currently living here?
No one. Yes, correct.
How's the lanai? The small lanai? I'll take a look.
Yeah.
I'll take a look. So you know how they don't have the smoke detect? They only have the water
Sprinkler.
sprinkler. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So that was what I was wondering. I mean, not like trying to make any judgments, but
Yeah.
like
If it's
this does not seem like. I mean, the fridge like that.
yeah,
You walk in here as a.
and like
I mean,
the chairs
kinda
like
weird.
that.
Yeah, I would expect like a $75 a night kind of, you know.
Yeah.
That's what you would probably need. Hello? I just need to be cleaned, I guess.
Okay.
No. So that one is like rental.
Sorry, yes.
Yeah, I think it's checked out already probably. The keys here. So
They left the bra here too.
yeah, the keys here.
The
So I
bra
think
here.
Smells like someone just smoked in here too.
Yeah.
So and I think they're obviously not great. That's what seems like they're coming back. I don't know. Well, I guess I see no luggage.
yeah.
Yeah.
They left the key there. I think they checked out already.
Yeah.
So
Oh, dang. Oh.
Oh, it's leaking.
I'm turning this off. Jeez. The
Water.
they have two
Water
buckets
bucket.
as you see. One that's
Oh yeah,
filled.
it's filled.
Yeah.
Okay.
They do have a drain that
Yeah.
needs to be pushed out. I mean, these guests. Again, this I'm not saying really anything negative
Yeah.
by saying this, but
Sure.
you do get a certain type of clientele with this building
Yeah.
because it's not super expensive.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I don't think you're gonna get 200 a night.
Yeah.
I
yeah.
think you're gonna be more in the from slow to busy, 130 to 170, right, and then depending on your cleaning fee and minimum stay, that depends. This one does come with everything except the internet.
Yeah.
So you do pay internet.
Water, electric, or
It's all included,
okay.
so that's good.
Yeah. This one how much is going for?
This one is 400,
400.
and quite a bit better than that last one.
So
Because you see, I mean, this
Yeah.
with the bed, that bed, and this bed, there's actually enough. That could almost be a pull-out couch, obviously, too.
Yeah.
Or you,
so I think the audience probably like student.
Yeah. 400 for this. Okay.
yeah, for laundry,
Uh-huh.
like a whole laundry thing at the bottom,
Yeah.
and inside, next to that was a store, where they had like a little convenience store. Both of those have shut down. And that was a big plus about this building.
Yeah.
I'm sure, especially for cleaners, they were able to just clean their stuff
Yeah.
right there if they wanted.
Like super convenient.
So this is the design as a room already. You see?
Yeah.
How does this compare to yours? Similar?
Uh,
Like, is the layout similar?
No, our layout is different. The
Yeah.
opposite.
I mean,
What
we,
stack are you guys at?
305.
305.
Oh, 5.
Well, we can take a look at it later.
This is, is it like reversed? It's the kitchen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
We don't have this wall here.
Yeah, we didn't build the wall.
Oh, it's just open?
We have a
up
cutting.
to here. Yeah, I think it's up to.
Oh, nice.
So this, at one point, this building was a hotel, right?
Yeah.
And then they have all these bamboo. We
Yeah.
had the same exact.
Yeah, we just asked
We threw
people
everything
to
away.
move out of that.
Yeah.
Oh, they have this one here.
They have the closet of the up. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
whoa,
Their closet is huge.
it's huge.
The closet is huge. Oh, I know
Oh.
why. No. I think
The
at
bathroom,
some
yeah.
at some point, yeah, we have kind of the same,
Then
but we
they-
make the closet smaller, so we have extra space right here.
I see.
Yeah.
Make the
So
room
you can
doesn't-
see that they still have the wall right here.
Yeah.
So which is we are just putting the wall here. I mean the door here. Move the
Oh.
door back to here.
Yeah.
So we have extra space for this side.
Oh, that's nice. That means this is gone too, this top part.
Move back.
Move back,
Move
yeah.
back. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. That makes the room seem bigger probably.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah.
Let's see. We have a nice view here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
This is a nice view.
Oh, they're cooler. They're cooler. You know why? The top of floor.
Walk up the stairs. Seem kind of like dungeons, right? Oh, they split this one in half. You see?
We break it.
Yeah. We broke it.
Yeah. At some point, we just break it.
The circuit breaker. How much is this one again? 400.
400. Say something.
400. Yeah.
Say something.
Has the plumbing been updated in the building?
Yeah, we updated.
Any other ones you want to see, just send me a text.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds
perfect.
good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. Just try it.
Which is the chosen house? Comment below which house you think we will choose.